There's a problem in certain Honda models that's costing owners over $3,500 in repairs. And here's the worst part. Most people don't even know they have the problem until it's too late. No warning lights, no obvious symptoms, just normal driving, until one day your engine starts misfiring, your fuel economy tanks, and you're staring at a repair bill that makes you sick. I've been a Honda technician for over 15 years, and I've seen this exact issue destroy hundreds of engines. It affects specific Honda models from 2016 to 2021. Millions of cars are on the road right now with this ticking time bomb. Honda knows about it. They've issued technical service bulletins. They've even extended warranties on some models. But many owners still have no idea their car is affected. Today, I'm exposing exactly what this problem is, which Honda models are affected, how to check if your car has it, and most importantly, how to fix it before you're hit with a massive repair bill. By the end of this video, you'll know if your Honda is at risk and what you need to do right now to protect yourself. Stick around, because if you own a 2016 to 2021 Civic, CR-V, or Accord with the 1.5T engine, this could save you thousands of dollars. Let's get started. What this hidden problem actually is. Alright, here's the issue that's draining Honda owners' bank accounts. Oil dilution in the 1.5T turbocharged engine. Specifically, gasoline mixing with engine oil, contaminating it, and causing catastrophic engine damage. Here's how it happens. Honda's 1.5T engine uses direct injection. Fuel is sprayed directly into the combustion chamber at high pressure. In normal conditions, this works great. Better fuel economy, more power, lower emissions. But in certain driving conditions, especially short trips in cold weather, some of that fuel doesn't burn completely. Instead, it washes down the cylinder walls and seeps past the piston rings into the crankcase, where it mixes with your engine oil. Over time, your oil becomes contaminated with gasoline, sometimes as much as 10% to 15% fuel. This diluted oil can't protect your engine. It's too thin, it's lost its lubricating properties, and it's breaking down critical engine components. The result? Accelerated wear on piston rings, cylinder walls, bearings, and the turbocharger. Eventually, the engine starts burning oil, misfiring, or completely seizing. Repair cost? $3,500 to $6,000 for an engine rebuild or replacement. And here's the kicker. Your oil life monitor might still say you have 50% oil life left. The system doesn't detect fuel contamination, so you think everything's fine, until it's not. Which Honda models are affected? This problem doesn't affect all Hondas, only specific models with the 1.5T turbocharged engine. Here's the list of affected vehicles. 2016 to 2021 Honda Civic, all trims with 1.5T engine including sedan, coupe, hatchback, and Sci. 2017 to 2021 Honda CR-V, all trims with 1.5T engine. 2018 to 2020 Honda Accord, 1.5T models only, not the 2.0T. If you own one of these models, your car is potentially at risk. Now, not every single car experiences this problem. It depends on how you drive, where you live, and how often you do short trips in cold weather. But the potential is there, and thousands of owners have already been hit with expensive repairs. Honda initially denied there was a problem. Then, they issued software updates. Then, they extended warranties. But many owners are still unaware, and dealerships aren't always proactive about notifying customers. So if you own one of these models, keep watching. You need to know how to check if your car is affected. How to check if your Honda has oil dilution. You can check for oil dilution yourself right now, in your driveway, in less than 5 minutes. Here's exactly what to do. Step 1. Check your oil level when the engine is cold. Pull the dipstick and wipe it clean. Reinsert it fully, then pull it out again. Look at the level. If it's above the max line, that's a red flag. Your oil level shouldn't rise. It should drop over time as the engine consumes a small amount. If the level is higher than when you last checked, fuel is mixing with your oil. Step 2. Smell the oil. Wipe some oil from the dipstick onto a clean paper towel. Smell it. Fresh oil has a distinct petroleum smell. Contaminated oil smells sharp, like gasoline. If your oil smells like gas, you have fuel dilution. Step 3. Check the consistency. Rub the oil between your fingers. Fresh oil feels slick and smooth. Contaminated oil feels thinner, almost watery. If it's noticeably thinner than it should be, that's fuel contamination. Step 4. Monitor over 1,000 miles. Check your oil level every 500 miles for the next 1,000 miles. Write down the level each time. If the level keeps rising instead of dropping, you have a serious fuel dilution problem. If you notice any of these signs, you need to take action immediately. If you want to take your Honda maintenance to the next level and keep it running strong past 500,000 miles, I've put together a complete maintenance blueprint just for Honda owners. It covers every fluid change, every inspection interval, and every trick to maximize your engine's lifespan. Click the link in the description to get your copy of the 500,000 mile car maintenance blueprint for Honda. It's a game changer. What causes oil dilution to happen? So why does this happen in the first place? It's a combination of engine design and driving conditions. Cause 1. Direct injection design. Unlike port injection, where fuel mixes with air before entering the cylinder, direct injection sprays fuel directly into the combustion chamber. This is great for efficiency, but it means some fuel can hit the cylinder walls instead of burning completely. Cause 2. Cold weather. When the engine is cold, combustion isn't as efficient. More unburned fuel makes it past the piston rings. This is especially bad in temperatures below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Cause 3. Short trips. If you drive less than 10 miles per trip, your engine never reaches full operating temperature. Cold engines run rich, meaning more fuel than necessary. That excess fuel ends up in the oil. Cause 4. Turbocharger design. The 1.5T engine's turbo runs at high boost even at low RPMs. This creates conditions where fuel can bypass the combustion process. Combine all 4 of these factors: cold weather, short trips, direct injection, and a turbo, and you have a recipe for oil dilution. The symptoms. You'll eventually notice. If you ignore oil dilution, eventually your car will start showing symptoms. Here's what to watch for. Symptom 1. Strong gasoline smell in the cabin. If your car smells like a gas station inside, especially after short trips, that's a sign fuel is getting into places it shouldn't. Symptom 2. Rough idle or engine hesitation. Diluted oil can't protect the valve train properly. You'll hear ticking or clicking, and the engine might feel sluggish. Symptom 3. Check engine light with misfire codes. Codes like P0300, P0301, P0302, etc. indicate misfires. Fuel dilution can cause ignition problems and incomplete combustion. Symptom 4. Increased oil consumption. Ironically, once the oil is severely diluted, the engine starts burning it. You'll need to add oil between changes. Symptom 5. Decreased fuel economy. If your MPG drops noticeably, like 3 to 5 mpg lower than normal, contaminated oil increases internal friction and reduces efficiency. Symptom 6. White or blue smoke from the exhaust. This means oil is burning in the combustion chamber. By the time you see this, damage is already happening. If you notice any of these symptoms, get your car inspected immediately. Honda's official response and fixes. So what has Honda done about this problem? After years of complaints, lawsuits, and bad press, Honda finally acknowledged the issue. Here's what they've done. Fix 1. Software update. Honda released a software update that changes the engine's fuel mapping and cold start behavior. The update is supposed to reduce fuel dilution by running the engine leaner during warm-up. This helps, but it doesn't eliminate the problem entirely. It's a band-aid, not a cure. Fix 2. Extended warranty. Honda extended the powertrain warranty on affected vehicles to 6 years or 60,000 miles, or longer in some cases, specifically for oil dilution issues. If your engine fails due to oil dilution and you're within the extended warranty, Honda will repair it for free. But here's the catch. The warranty doesn't cover every type of damage, and it expires eventually. Fix 3. Revised PCV valve and engine calibration. On some newer models, Honda redesigned the PCV, positive crankcase ventilation, valve to help reduce fuel vapor buildup in the crankcase. This is better than the old design, but still not perfect. Fix 4. Owner compensation in some cases. Some owners who experienced engine damage before the extended warranty was issued have received compensation from Honda through settlements. But this isn't automatic. You have to fight for it. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. How to prevent oil dilution from destroying your engine. If you own one of these affected Hondas, here's how to protect your engine from oil dilution damage. Prevention. Step 1. Get the software update. Contact your Honda dealer and ask if your car has received the software update for oil dilution. Give them your VIN. They can check if it's been applied. If not, schedule an appointment and get it done. It's free under warranty. Prevention. Step 2. Change your oil more frequently. Don't follow the oil life monitor blindly. If you do short trips or live in a cold climate, change your oil every 3,000 to 4,000 miles. This flushes out contaminated oil before it causes damage. Use Honda's recommended 0W20 full synthetic oil. Always replace the filter. Prevention. Step 3. Take weekly long drives. Once a week, drive your Honda on the highway for at least 20 to 30 minutes. This gets the engine up to full operating temperature, 195 degrees Fahrenheit plus, and burns off fuel contamination. Think of it as therapy for your engine. Prevention. Step 4. Monitor your oil level religiously. Check your oil level every 1,000 miles. Write it down. Track it. If you see the level rising, change the oil immediately and take the car to a dealer. Prevention. Step 5. Park in a garage if possible. Keeping your car in a garage, even an unheated one, reduces cold start severity and helps the engine warm up faster. Prevention. Step 6. Avoid excessive idling. Letting your car idle for 10 minutes to warm up makes the problem worse. Start the car, wait 30 seconds, then drive gently. The engine warms up faster under load than sitting still. What to do if your engine is already damaged? If you've already experienced oil dilution and your engine has symptoms, here's what to do. Step 1. Document everything. Keep records of oil changes, oil level checks, symptoms, and any communication with Honda. Take photos of the dipstick showing high oil levels or contamination. Step 2. Take it to a Honda dealer, not an independent shop. The dealer has access to Honda's technical service bulletins and extended warranty information. Tell them you suspect oil dilution. Request an oil analysis. Step 3. Request an oil sample analysis. Honda can send your oil to a lab to measure fuel contamination. If the fuel content is above a certain percentage, usually 3 to 5%, they'll document it as oil dilution. Step 4. Demand coverage under the extended warranty. If your car is within the extended warranty period and the damage is proven to be from oil dilution, Honda should cover the repair. Don't take no for an answer. Escalate to Honda Corporate if needed. Step 5. Consider legal action if denied. If Honda refuses to cover the repair and you believe they should, consult a lawyer who specializes in lemon law or automotive defects. There have been class action lawsuits over this issue. You may have options. The real cost of this problem. Let's talk numbers. If your engine fails due to oil dilution and Honda doesn't cover it, here's what you're looking at. Minor repairs. Cleaning intake, replacing PCV valve, oil change, $300 to $600. Moderate repairs, replacing piston rings, cleaning carbon buildup, $1,500 to $2,500. Major repairs. Engine rebuild, $3,500 to $5,000 engine replacement, $5,000 to $7,000. For many owners, especially those with high-mileage cars, this repair exceeds the car's value. That's why prevention is so critical. A $50 oil change every 3,000 miles is infinitely cheaper than a $5,000 engine. Why this problem is so frustrating. Here's what makes this issue so infuriating for Honda owners. Frustration 1. Honda initially denied the problem existed. For years, they blamed owners for improper driving habits instead of admitting a design flaw. Frustration 2. The fix isn't a real fix. A software update doesn't solve the root cause. It just reduces the severity. Frustration 3. Not all dealers are knowledgeable. Some dealers don't understand oil dilution and misdiagnose the problem, costing owners money. Frustration 4. The extended warranty isn't permanent. Once the warranty expires, you're on your own, even if the design flaw still exists. Frustration 5. Honda still sells these engines. Even knowing about the problem, Honda continues to use the 1.5T engine in new models. It's a frustrating situation, but knowledge is power. Now that you know about the problem, you can take steps to protect yourself. Final thoughts: oil dilution in Honda's 1.5T engine is a real problem affecting hundreds of thousands of vehicles. It's not a myth, it's not overblown, it's a design flaw that can cost you $3,500. Plus, if you're not careful, if you own a 2016 to 2021 Civic, CR-V, or Accord with the 1.5T engine, you need to take action. Get the software update. Change your oil frequently. Take long drives. Monitor your oil level. Do these things, and you can prevent oil dilution from destroying your engine. Ignore it, and you're gambling with thousands of dollars. Honda makes great cars, but this particular engine has a known issue, and you need to manage it proactively. Don't wait until your engine fails. Protect yourself now. And if you're serious about keeping your Honda running strong for the long haul, don't forget to grab the 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint. It's packed with every maintenance interval, fluid change schedule, and insider tip you need to get maximum life out of your engine. The link's in the description, and it's specifically designed for Honda owners who want their cars to last forever. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.